Something interesting is happening right now. Some of the smartest, most dependable women in corporate are quietly stepping away. Not loudly, not dramatically, just slowly exiting. These are women who used to be the most committed, the most dependable, the ones companies relied on to hold everything together. But now something has shifted. They're burnt out, they're questioning everything, and many of them are realizing something powerful. They no longer want their entire future controlled by a company. If you've been feeling this shift too, you're not alone. And in this video, I will talk about why this is happening and what many women are starting to do instead. But before we dive in, if you're new here, my name is Catherine and I'm the founder of Breakout Life Coaching and Consulting. I help women who feel burned out or uncertain about their careers discover how to turn the skills and life experience they already have into a digital business. Because most women don't actually want to start over. They just want a different way to use what they already know. And I'm curious about something. If you've been feeling burned out or questioning your career lately, let me know in the comments. I have a feeling many more women are experiencing this than we realize. So let's talk about why so many smart women are quietly leaving corporate right now. The first reason is burnout. And burnout is more than just being tired. Real burnout shows up when you wake up already exhausted, your work drains you emotionally, you constantly feel overwhelmed, you can't mentally disconnect from your job, and work that once motivated you now feels meaningless. Many high achieving women experience burnout because they've been the ones who step out when others don't, solve problems constantly, carry heavy workloads, and take on more responsibility than most. Eventually, something shifts internally. You start asking yourself, what am I doing all of this for? If you've started feeling that question creeping in, that's often a sign that something deeper is going on. Another reason many women are rethinking corporate right now is layoffs. Even women who are performing well are watching their talented colleagues suddenly lose their jobs. One day someone is leading a project, the next day their access is shut off and they're gone. No warning, no loyalty, no real security. And when you see that happening enough times, you start realizing something uncomfortable. Your career may feel stable, but it's not actually secure. That realization causes many women to start asking themselves, what if I had something of my own? Something that no corporate decision could take away. Another shift I see all the time is lack of fulfillment. You work hard to get where you are. You got the degrees, the certifications, your years of experience, but now you're asking yourself, is this really it? Many women begin to feel like their work doesn't truly matter. They're using only a small portion of their talents and they're following a path that no longer feels aligned. This often shows up as a sense of restlessness. You start thinking about doing something more meaningful, helping people in a different way, and building something of your own. Those thoughts usually mean you're ready for something different. Another realization women are having is this. Working harder doesn't necessarily mean earning more. In most corporate roles, your salary is capped, raises are limited, promotions take years. But your knowledge, your value, and your experience may be worth far more than what you're currently paid. So women start thinking, what if I could create income that isn't limited to my job title? And that's when many women begin exploring building something outside their job. And if that thought has crossed your mind recently, I created a guide that can help you start thinking about what that could look like. It's called Tap into Your Zone of Genius and Monetize It. In the guide, I'll help you identify the skills you already have, the knowledge people would pay for, and how that could turn into a digital business idea. So if you've been feeling like you want something more, but you're not sure where to start, I highly recommend that you get this guide. The link is in the description below. Here's the shift many women are taking right now. They are realizing that they don't have to quit their job to start something new. They can start building something on the side. And that something is often an online business. An online business is actually much simpler than social media makes it look. Most successful online businesses are built around three things. One, a group of people. Two, a problem they want solved. And three, the solution you provide. And that solution will take a few different forms. The three I recommend most often are coaching, consulting, or creating an online course. In coaching, it focuses on helping someone achieve a personal or professional transformation. For example, career coaching, confidence coaching, wellness coaching, life transition coaching. You guide people through a process that helps them reach a result they want. Many women already do this naturally in their personal and professional lives. They just haven't realized it can be turned into a business. Consulting is another form, and it focuses on more on your expertise and strategy. Instead of guiding personal transformation, you help businesses or individuals solve problems using your knowledge. Examples could look like this: marketing strategy, operations improvement, leadership development, project management systems. Many professionals already have consulting level knowledge from their careers. They just haven't positioned it in that way yet. Another powerful option is becoming a course creator. This means turning your knowledge or expertise into a structured program that teaches others how to achieve a specific result. For example, you could teach productivity systems, career transitions, leadership skills, digital marketing, or wellness practices. Instead of working one-on-one as you would do in coaching, your knowledge can help many people at once. Now, and here's the most important thing I want you to understand. You don't need millions of followers, complicated technology, or years of preparation. Most women who build online businesses start with skills from their career, lessons from their life experience, and a desire to help others. The women leaving corporate right now are not lazy. They're not unrealistic. They're redefining success. They want more control over their time, more control over their income, and the ability to build something meaningful. And many are discovering they don't have to start over. They simply need a strategy to use what they already know differently. If this conversation resonated with you, I encourage you to download my guide. The link is in the description below. Tap into your zone of genius and monetize it. It will help you start identifying the knowledge, skills, and experience you already have that could become the foundation of your own digital business. Because chances are you're already sitting on more opportunity than you think. Thank you for stopping by to watch this video, and I hope to see you in the next video.